Let's talk about something that affects us all, our food. And you know what? Weather is becoming a huge risk.
Just start with this number, 163%. That's how much cocoa prices have jumped in a year. And experts are saying this isn't some fluke. Extreme weather is what's making these prices so volatile. To really get why, you have to understand how our food system works. It's this massive global network. And this map really shows it all. Everything from farming and trade, right down to what we buy and waste. So when one part of that system gets hit, say by a drought, the effects ripple out everywhere. And what are those shocks? Well, you're looking at rising temperatures, crazy unpredictable rain, and just more extreme weather. Okay, so let's see what this actually does to our farms. It's a direct threat to crop yields worldwide. Take wheat, for instance. Just a 1-degree rise in temperature could slash yields by almost 8%. And looking ahead to 2050, yields for staples like rice and maize could drop by more than 10%. But it's not just about growing less food. What if the food we do grow isn't as good for us? Yeah, it's true. Research shows higher CO2 levels are literally stripping nutrients like iron and protein from crops. So you've got less food and it's less nutritious. That combination is a recipe for global instability. This map shows the hotspots, the places getting hit the hardest. A shock here can trigger price spikes globally. And projections for these regions, food prices could jump by as much as 20% by 2050. And that volatility doesn't just stay in one place. It spills over and drives up inflation for everyone. So what does that mean for your wallet? Well, climate change could add over a full point to inflation by 2035. And look, this isn't some far-off problem. We're already seeing this volatility in action right now. See, after months of prices falling, the index just ticked up again. It just shows how unstable things are. All of this leads to a pretty big question. Is this constant uncertainty the new normal for our food prices?